2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, cross and out, hips, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. This is straight ahead, guys, not side. Straight ahead. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All very, very, very good. This is here. Why am I all doing things like this? Keep it clean. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hips 5. Girls hips. 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boys are doing this. So remember, still bring the side forward, and then remember right crosses first. Let's add it. Let's try once more fast, and we go on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, cross and back, hips, 6, 7, 8. Boys are here. ऊपर भी दोनों नहीं.
वो पंखा चल रहा है पीछे से तो दोनों हो जाएंगे ना, बहुत उड़ जाएंगे.
come into profile. But instead of facing here, this is profile, right? My body is going to be sort of facing diagonal. So I won't be completely profile. Does that make sense from here? So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that from here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Yeah, you have to move pretty quickly. So it's not 1, no, it's 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. By 1 you should only be there. Yeah. Hands are here. So you're going 1, 2, up, both are this side. Keep this elbow up. Elbows not down. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here you go step. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Step, touch, step, touch. Everybody knows how to step. Face forward for a second. So it's going step, touch, step, touch. Again, 6, 7, 8. Step, touch. Why I'm saying step and touch and not step together is because you're actually just doing a touch. You're not putting your entire foot down. You're going step, touch, step, touch. If you put your entire foot down, then it takes more time. So you're going step, touch, step, touch. Yeah? We're here. We finished 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Step and touch and step and touch.
When you right foot when is tapping.
Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Step, touch, step, touch. Right and step first. Again 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So when you do that, this hand is on your waist, and this hand is it's like you're saying no. Okay, now don't start doing circles and shaking everything. No, it's just a straight arm. Only your wrist. It's only your wrist which is moving. There is a small movement, obviously, since it's your wrist. It's small. So it looks like this. It goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yeah, don't keep your hand in front of you. It's over your head. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. From there, it goes 1, 2. Everybody does this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going right, right, left, left. This hand is just going across your chest. 5, 6, and 7, 8. It's very small movements. It's not a big extension. It's just 5, 6, and 7, and 8. It's from the movie. And I think some of you turn too much. It's not here. It's just here and here. Both your shoulders should be seen. It's not so much. Let's try it again from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, right, left, left. Like this is just a weight transfer. So after you finish this, with here, you're just going to step and let this knee fall. And then you're going to switch. Again 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Keep moving forward. 8. Step 1, 2. Sorry, and 3, 4 is this, right?
Yeah.
That hand stays on your switch. You're going here, here, and this hand just stays there.
Oh, okay.
And this is not a pull, it's across. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2. Switch 3 and 4. Lucky to see how much you're turning.
No, I'm just watching you.
Okay. No, but don't turn it now. Just keep your body like here. It's very chota, almost profile ja rahe ho. So when it's so fast and takes you behind the music. So keep it small. So 5, 6, 7. A little bit of chest here. So it's right, right, left, left. From here, you know how we did this? It's the same thing, but you're going here, 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 here. So you're going right, left, right, left. This is all from the movie. All of this.
Going upwards.
Same
place.
It's going near your mouth. Kibopia is going near your mouth, but your body is basically going.
Cappuccino, yeah.
So start थोड़ा नीचे से here, here, up, up. So go down, middle, up. If you already start here, then it's like you can't go any further. So you have to start 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's
1, 2, 3, 4.
अरे।
That's why I could hear the music. It makes so much more sense. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Step touch. 5, 6, 7. Chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try the music. वो lyrics के साथ episode record करना है.
ये करना पड़ेगा। लास्ट घंटा यहाँ का उनको थोड़ा कर
Guys, do it first now.
याद कराइएगा मुझे भेजेंगे
तुमने देर लगाई पड़ोस की शादी हो गई।
अच्छा पड़ोसन की शादी हो
हाँ, वो बेचारा रह गया।
कितना मजा क्यों आ रहा है तूने हवा में भांग मिलाया तुमने नशा क्यों हो रहा है आँखों से मीठा दूध खिलाया
वो तेरी मलमल की गुलाबी गुलाबी हो गई मैं चली चल के खराबी हो गई बदन पिचकारी जो तूने मुझे मारी तो सीधी सादी छोरी शराबी हो गई अजीब पहन के जो तूने मारा ढूंढा तो पड़ोसन की
सीधी सादी
Okay, coming again.
कितना मजा क्यों आ रहा है तूने हवा में भांग मिलाया तुमने नशा क्यों हो रहा है आँखों से मीठा दूध खिलाया
वो तेरी मलमल की गुलाबी हो गई मैं चली चल के खराबी हो गई बदन पिचकारी जो तूने मुझे मारी तो सीधी सादी छोरी शराबी हो गई अजीब पहन के जो तूने मारा ढूंढा तो पड़ोसन की बारी हो गई बदन पिचकारी जो तूने मुझे मारी तो सीधी सादी छोरी
Wow, very good.
आपकी एक्टिंग सच में शरारनी की तरह
So guys, you have to practice other you can't act.
मेरे सुनली है
लास्ट चार में
Should I go on or no?
Should we do my one more time? Okay.
Yes, one next time.
Yeah.
एक बार मेरी नहीं से
Keep it at
Okay,
time.
thank you. तुम्हारा जो फोटो का ना, एक
you guys are getting confused in the footwork. कि कौन सा cross है, कौन सा strong है. Remember that this is a strong, this is a cross.
Only right hand will be there.
So we don't change hands.
We don't change. We weren't changing hands. I just changed the last time by mistake.
This time we are doing it crazy.
नहीं.
इसी का
हाँ.
इसमें we are doing it
Long as everybody knows.
wait and watch.